Shall I ask you a few questions that you have learnt?
Okay.
Very good. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Mona.
Very good. What is mom's name? Mom's name?
Silpa.
Good job. What is papa's name?
Lucky.
So sweet. Do you have any siblings?
Okay.
No, you don't have. Grandmother's name? Can you say granny's name?
Yes.
Say, what is her name? She cooked delicious dishes for you. What is her name? Granny.
Randy.
Okay. What is your school name?
Pilla.
Mm.
Tin. Dots.
Very good. So sweet. So, is it Building Blocks Play School?
Yes.
Very good. What's your teacher's name? Mm.
Vatika ma'am.
Thank you so much. What is your principal's name then? Look at me. Look at me. Bujma, look at me. Principal's name? Radhika, Princi ma'am?
Radhika principal.
Okay. That's fine. Do you know phone number? Mamma's or papa's phone number?
Okay.
Do you know say me?
Yes.
Say me phone number?
Phone number.
Okay. I'll make you learn our school phone number, right? Okay. 944. Look at me. Look at me. Papa has come. Look at me. Look at me, please. 944 12 166. Once again. 944 944 12 again 12 166. That is your school's phone number, right? If anybody asks, you need to say. Where are you residing, Mona? In Guntur? Oh, very good. Our state, Mona? Is it Andhra Pradesh?
Yes.
Very good. Do you know the capital of India, Mona?
Okay.
Mona, do you know the capital?
Capital.
Delhi, New Delhi.
Delhi, New Delhi.
Very good. Do you know the biggest animal, Mona? What is the biggest animal? Biggest animal. Big one. What is the big one?
Wow.
Biggest animal. Mona, you are not listening to me. Don't get distracted. Look at me. Biggest animal.
Biggest animal.
What is that? Elephant.
Elephant.
Very good. Which fruit do you like the most, Mona?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, very good. What curry do you like the most?
Chicken curry.
Chicken. Do you like chicken curry? Who cooks for you?
Papa.
Papa cooks for you? Okay. Did you thank him?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. Have a nice day, Mona. See you on Monday.
See you Monday.
Okay, bye-bye.